guys, welcome back. I've been going through a tremendous amount of video footage from years past, and came across a clip from a Land Rover rally. I believe this was probably around 2012, 2013. At any rate, it was a moderately steep hill, and we were following a fellow that ran into some issues being able to pull that grade of hill. And long story short, we're going to work through what went wrong and why probably a better equipped, but not much better equipped vehicle just walked right up it. If you go off-road and you know you have a mechanical issue, you're just asking for the potential for damaging your property or somebody else's property. We can only armchair quarterback this at this point. I'm not 100% sure, but just by the by looking at it, that is it's a Discovery 2. It would have been I'm pretty sure it's a pre-04. If I have to correct myself, I will. So it would have, the transfer case possibly would have had a locking nut on the top to engage the center differential lock, but it would have been unable to actually shift it into center differential lock from inside the vehicle. That puts your true four-wheel drive. However, what makes the Discovery 2 such a awesome vehicle off-road, given that it would not have any mechanical issues, is the traction control. Pretty sure that the ABS light was probably on. Traction control ABS probably had the Three Amigos, the dreaded Three Amigos, because it did not take much to create a one-wheel spin. Front passenger side front tire kept losing traction and would spin violently. So in a situation like that, you're either going to have to use great momentum to overcome that situation. Anyway, as we slow this down, you're going to see that he kept breaking traction, and all the power would go to the passenger side front, which tells me that more than likely he's got an issue with his ABS, causing a traction control issue. And also, you could also say that the fact that we're running street tires probably had a little bit to do with it as well. But in most circumstances, that vehicle would have just walked right up that. In contrast to that, we're going to watch my brother in the silver Discovery. It is lifted and it is on tires, but no lockers, other than just using good old ABS. The traction control system is working operationally fine in his. He does have an 04, so he is able to engage his center differential lock, but I mean, he just walked right up it. So it's just it's a good video to show the difference between being able to have a functioning, working properly traction control coupled with the CDL, center differential lock, makes it a awesome vehicle to hit some back roads, do some challenging trails, well, you know, whatever. Again, word of caution: if you knowingly have an issue with your vehicle and you're going to put it in harm's way, as you can see in some of these clips, our guy, as he was getting kind of crossways on the trail just due to the steep angle of this hill, kind of got into the rear bumper and the rear quarter. And you know, it's just, that doesn't make for a good day, because it could have been a bad situation. And everybody's seen video of the GX that stalled going up one of those trails in Utah, and he just free falls, you know, as he's going backwards, just out of control because it's dead in the water. You know, that might not have been any kind of driver error, but I mean, the potential for that to happen is always there. Anyway, hey guys, thank you for watching, and please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and consider following us. We got more, got plenty of footage. If you've ever attended one of the Rover rallies in Hot Springs or at Barnwell, I've got plenty of footage. You might be on there, so give us a follow. Thank you.